Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast.
I'm Lucy.
And I'm Tom. Someone asks you something in English, and your mind goes blank.
Do you say, what? No, stop. Say this instead.
I did this my first month abroad. A cashier asked me something. I said, "What?" so loud she jumped.
Did she repeat it?
She did, but slower, like I was a small child. I felt terrible.
So many learners freeze the exact moment they don't understand, and what is the only word that comes out.
Today, 3 small phrases, easy to learn, easy to use right away.
One simple way to speak calmly every time you don't understand.
Ready? Let's begin right now.
Remember 3 words: signal, repeat, slow.
Signal it, repeat it, slow it. That's the whole plan.
Let's start with step 1, signal it.
The magic word is sorry, said softly.
Sorry means I didn't catch that. Please say it again.
It's short, it's polite. Every native speaker understands it instantly.
Compare that to shouting, what? Same message, different feeling.
Sorry sounds calm. What sounds shocked.
Do you use sorry now, Tom?
Every time. It fixed so many awkward moments right away.
You can also say pardon for very polite situations, sorry for daily life, pardon for more formal moments.
Let's practice. Say sorry out loud right now. Soft voice.
Go on, try it. We'll wait.
Good job. You just replaced what with something better.
One small tip. Practice your tone, not just the word. A calm sorry sounds very different from a sharp, loud one.
Step 2. Repeat it by asking directly.
Sometimes sorry isn't enough. The person just repeats the same fast sentence again.
That's when you ask directly. Can you repeat, please?
Clear, polite, easy to say in any situation.
I remember at the airport, an announcement was so fast I understood nothing.
What did you do?
I asked, "Can you repeat, please?" The worker explained everything slowly.
See? People are usually kind when you ask clearly instead of just standing there confused.
Speaking of confused, tell them about your doctor visit.
Oh no, not that one.
Yes, go on.
My doctor used a big word. I just nodded like I understood. I did not.
What happened?
Later, I had no idea what she said. I had to call back and ask again.
If only you had said, "Can you repeat, please?"
I know. Now I always ask instead of nodding and pretending.
Nodding feels easier, but asking saves you trouble later.
You can also ask, sorry, what was that? It works the same way.
Let's practice. Say, "Can you repeat, please?" out loud right now.
Go on, try it. We'll wait.
Good job. That phrase alone will save you in so many situations.
One small tip. Say it with a smile. It makes every question sound friendly, not annoyed.
Quick reminder, our plan, signal it, repeat it, slow it.
Step 3. Slow it when repeating still isn't enough.
Sometimes someone repeats the sentence, but just as fast as before.
That's when you ask, please speak slowly. Most people are happy to slow down once you ask.
I remember a taxi driver speaking so fast. I said, "Please speak slowly." He laughed and said, "Of course."
One simple sentence and suddenly you understand everything.
You can also say, "I'm still learning English, so please speak slowly." This gives context and kindness follows.
I used that line once and the person spoke so slowly I almost fell asleep.
Better too slow than too fast, though.
True. Let's practice. Say, please speak slowly, out loud, right now.
Go on, try it. We'll wait.
Good job. Now you have all 3 phrases ready to use.
3 simple phrases working together. Signal it, repeat it, slow it.
Step 4. Make it a habit.
Now let's build one small, realistic daily plan using our formula.
Every time you're confused, say sorry first.
Still confused? Ask, can you repeat, please?
Still fast? Ask, please speak slowly.
My plan, every day I say sorry instead of staying silent. At work, I ask people to repeat. Once a week, I practice please speak slowly, out loud.
Now mine. Whenever I feel lost, I stay calm and ask clearly instead of panicking. On calls, I always ask people to repeat things, and with new friends, I explain that I'm learning and ask them to slow down.
See, these plans are small and completely possible for a busy life. Nothing feels overwhelming. Nothing feels impossible.
Small steps, used daily, they become real confidence.
Step 5. Practice time.
Question 1. When did you last not understand someone in English?
Question 2. Did you say what or something better?
Question 3. Which phrase will you practice this week?
Question 4. Who could you practice with today?
Question 5. What is one small fear about speaking you can let go of today?
Now put your answers together into one small conversation in your head.
Say your answer out loud, right now.
This is the best practice, speaking out loud every day.
Let's review quickly.
Signal it. Say, sorry.
Repeat it. Say, can you repeat, please?
Slow it. Say, please speak slowly.
3 small phrases, 1 simple plan.
You don't need all 3 every time. Start with just 1.
Maybe today, just sorry. That's perfectly okay.
Tomorrow, maybe you add, can you repeat please, too. And next week, maybe all 3 together.
Learning a language is not a race, it's a walk. 1 small phrase at a time.
Small steps over time add up to real confidence. Some of the best English speakers I know started with exactly this simple habit.
Confusing moments happen everywhere. Cafes, phone calls, classrooms, new friendships.
If you learn these 3 phrases, you will never feel shy or lost again.
So here's your challenge.
Pause this video.
Say 1 phrase out loud right now.
Just 1. Simple. Yours. Go on. Try it. We'll wait.
Did you do it? Great job. I'm proud of you, truly.
You just replaced what with something better today, and that is a small but real victory.
Time goes fast when the topic is this useful.
If this helped you, share it with a friend who still shouts what every single time.
Comment below which phrase will you use this week.
Subscribe for more easy English every week.
And remember, signal it, repeat it, slow it.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Tom.
Bye, Lucy.